Hey everyone, today we're going to see the Motorola E14, a mid-range smartphone that is causing a stir thanks to its unique combination of practical features and cost. This can be the gadget for you if you're looking for a low-cost smartphone that doesn't compromise on necessary contemporary features. Let's now test the features of the Moto E14. Three color options are available for the Moto E14. Peach, often known as green and purple, olive, and graphite gray. These hues provide the minimalist design a subtle touch. Because the body is composed of sturdy plastic, it weighs only 178 grams and is pleasant to hold, even during lengthy video or phone chats. Although plastic lacks the high-end feel of glass or metal, it is incredibly durable and perfect for daily use. Additionally, this model satisfies the IP52 standard for water resistance, providing some assurance against small splashes. The Moto E14 is a cost-effective handset with a dual SIM configuration and a micro SD card slot for further capacity. A 6.56-inch HD plus IPS display is included with the Moto E14. Without making the gadget cumbersome, its size is sufficient for a satisfying viewing experience. This range often has HD plus resolution, which strikes a balance between energy efficiency and a respectable display quality that doesn't tax the processor. Compared to many low-cost devices that still utilize 60 Hz screens, the 90 Hz refresh rate improves the fluidity of scrolling and animations. The Uni-SoC Tiger T606 is an octa-core processor that powers the Moto E14 and is intended for everyday tasks like social media, video streaming, and web surfing. Basic multitasking is possible with the device's 2 gigs of RAM. However, running too many programs at once may cause performance issues. With 64 gigs of internal storage that can be expanded by micro SD to 1 terabyte, the Moto E14's camera setup is surprisingly good for a low-cost handset. In well-lit settings, the 13 megapixels primary camera with an f2.2 aperture takes detailed pictures, and a second lens allows for bokeh effects in portraiture. The Moto E14's 13 megapixels front-facing camera has respectable color accuracy and detail and works well in bright conditions. With moderate use, the Moto E14's 5,000 mAh battery can last up to 2 days. The battery should last a whole day even though heavy use, such as gaming or streaming, would drain it more quickly. Budget versions often offer 10 watt of charging, so don't expect quick rates, but it will keep you going through your regular activities. Although the Moto E14 doesn't have NFC, which might be a problem for people who utilize contactless payments, it does include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and a 3.5mm headphone socket, so you can use wired headphones without the need for an adapter. All things considered, the Moto E14 is a good option for consumers seeking a dependable, reasonably priced smartphone for everyday needs. Although it lacks several high-end capabilities, its water resistance, extended battery life, sleek 90 Hz display, and simple design make it a competitive choice in its class. Ideal for consumers who want a useful gadget without going over budget. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.